While excavators are operating, the hydraulic system works under high load every minute. Dust, water, metal particles, all of these eventually contaminate the hydraulic fluid as they enter the system. And when the fluid loses its purity, the equipment loses reliability, and wear on pumps, valves, and distributors increases. For companies, this means downtime, repairs, and loss of productivity at the most critical moments. That's why today it's important not just to monitor the condition of the fluid. It's important to have a tool that allows you to keep it in perfect condition. The main cause of problems in hydraulic systems is contamination. Even micron-sized particles can cause premature wear and pressure drops in the system. The GlobeCore CMM-F unit is designed for comprehensive purification of hydraulic and industrial oils. Filtration takes place in stages. First, a coarse filter traps large particles, and then a fine filter purifies the fluid with an accuracy of up to 0.3 microns. If necessary, the unit can be equipped with magnets that remove fine metal particles. This is critical for equipment that experiences daily wear and tear. One of the main advantages of CMM-F is its ease of connection. To start working, simply connect the unit to the tank or reservoir using quick-release couplings, open the valves, and press the start button. After that, CMM-F automatically maintains stable pressure and the required flow rate. This allows you to completely eliminate the human factor and ensure consistent cleaning quality. The equipment does not require special staff training and can operate both in a service workshop and directly at the construction site. The CMM-F unit is highly mobile. Thanks to its compact body and wheels, it is easy to move between pieces of equipment or within the workshop. This is a solution that can operate right next to the equipment directly on site, which significantly saves time. Maintenance is also simple. The manometer shows the degree of filter clogging, and when the pressure exceeds 2.5 bar, the filter just needs to be replaced. This takes just a few minutes, and the unit is immediately ready for operation. Such maintenance makes CMM-F an extremely effective tool for service companies and owners of large equipment fleets.
Regular filtration of hydraulic fluid significantly extends the service life of pumps, valves, and hydraulic distributors. Clean fluid ensures stable pressure, less heating, and minimal wear of components. Using CMM-F allows you to reduce costs for purchasing new oils, and most importantly, to avoid emergency equipment shutdowns, which always happen at the most critical moment. This is a simple solution that delivers a direct and tangible economic effect.
Hydraulic system cleanliness is an investment in the longevity of your equipment. When the fluid is clean, the excavator operates reliably, and maintenance costs are reduced several times over. The CMM-F unit is not just a filter, it's a tool that allows equipment owners to monitor the condition of their hydraulics and minimize downtime risks. It is suitable for construction companies, service centers, manufacturing enterprises, any environment where equipment operates intensively. This is exactly the case when the right equipment truly extends the lifespan of your machinery.
CMM-F is a universal piece of equipment. It works with hydraulic, industrial, and transmission oils of various viscosities. Such versatility allows you to use a single unit for several types of machinery, reducing the costs of maintaining an equipment fleet. Filtration down to as fine as 0.3 microns makes it possible to achieve cleanliness standards recommended by most hydraulic equipment manufacturers. And this means predictable system operation, fewer breakdowns, and higher productivity in every shift. We see that clients who have implemented CMM-F in their maintenance routines achieve stable results within just the first few weeks. Less oil replacement, fewer hydraulic component repairs, and more machine uptime. The installation is simple, reliable, and has been proven in real-world conditions, from workshops to large construction sites. And if your equipment operates daily in dust, moisture, and under heavy loads, CMM-F will be the best solution to preserve its lifespan.
You can learn more about the capabilities of the CMM-F installation by following the link in the first comment, or by visiting the website www.globecore.com. We will help you choose the optimal solution for your needs.